What the hell? Food time. Oh yeah, the Mustang is gone. Guys, welcome to another daily driven video. This one is a bittersweet moment. And by the title, might have you concerned. Don't be too concerned. Don't be too concerned, but there's something right here. Right there. It's overexposed, but there's a new car in the driveway, guys. Let's go take a look at it.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Toyota has come a long way, let me tell you. And Toyota's, I mean, from what I understand, they're always super reliable, or I'm sure every car has their faults, but usually are pretty reliable. But yeah, this one, pretty nice. Don't want to get demonetized. Just kidding, we don't get monetization anyway yet. But hopefully someday we do. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Listen to that little Toyota purr. I'm just kidding. We did not get rid of the Mustang. However, we don't have it right now, and I'm kind of disappointed about it. So, behind me, we have a Toyota Camry. And to be honest, it's not that bad. The other day, unfortunately, I went to the gym. I know what you're thinking. Traffic. I know what you're thinking. Tyler, you go to the gym? No, not normally. No, I don't go to the gym normally. I'm trying to go to the gym more, a couple days out of the week, but so far it's only been a couple weeks of that. So anyways, we were at the gym, me and Megan, and the car got backed into, or hit, unfortunately. But basically, we went to the gym. I pulled through kind of the parking spot. You'll get to see it in the video. And then we were in there. We came out about 45 minutes later, and that's when we noticed that, or I noticed, the front fender on the driver's side was kind of buckled in, which you'll see right about here. And then also you can see around the headlight there is a huge gap because everything just shifted forward. So there was some scrapes too. We ended up going through the footage, and it was pretty tough to see what the plate number was of the vehicle that pulled in. There was a vehicle that pulled next to us, and looks like they took it wide and then kind of backed up, pulled forward, backed up, kind of straightening themselves out. So it's possible that it was them, but unfortunately the footage was so bad, I don't know if we would have got much out of it. That being said, we did file an incident report, and we have it at the shop right now. I went on my lunch break today at work, dropped it off, and got a rental car. So far, Geico for their insurance, and for the whole process thus far, it's been pretty good. But to be honest, this thing is not that bad. I mean, look at this. Well guys, this is it. Returning the rental car, and we are gonna get the Mustang back. And it looks like it's right here. Caliber installation. There it is. She's fixed. Hopefully, let's go take a look. Guys, we just got in the car right now. Mustang is repaired. You can't tell because we're inside the car, of course. But the next step, I need some gas, man. I dropped this thing off on E, so I gotta go fill up. But we'll go fill up, we'll meet back at the house, and then we will discuss, take a look at the repair and see how good it is. So far, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Well, guys, I just got home and we got the Mustang and a folder. The folder has my estimate in it, and I wanted to kind of show you guys what something like this kind of costs to get fixed. Now, obviously, I paid my deductible and got it fixed, but I was kind of surprised with how expensive this was, and I'm sure if you guys are in that line of work, body shop repairs, things of that nature, like, you guys are like, yeah, it's expensive. It's expensive. But I didn't think it was that bad of damage. I thought, okay, maybe a fender replacement. It's got to be. Let's just take a look. Okay, so we have the estimate right here. Now I'm using the folder to kind of cover up some of my personal information. So, that is what it is. But let's go down the list here. So, straight off the bat, we have the lower grille. They're actually replacing that because that ended up being cracked. So that was pretty cool. You can see about $140 cost. And down here too. So guys, I didn't see it when I was there, at the scene or at home looking at the car. I did not see that there was a crack in the headlamp. But apparently when they took the bumper off, they saw that there was a crack. So ended up replacing that. So, man, OEM lights are expensive. But that got fixed as well. You can kind of see here if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. This is where that lies. Let me go on to the next page. Here we are on the last page here of the estimate. And you can see kind of they had that bracket too, because on the fender, obviously that was broken. I could have guessed that from the outside, but you can see kind of the breakdown there. Interesting. And so, look at that. Grand total right here. $29.5601. And that's what that total cost. So pretty crazy that a little fender bender like that costs that much. Now, thankfully, like I said, pay my deductible, I'll be on my way. Hopefully the insurance doesn't go up too much. I mean, it was parked in a parking lot. I wasn't at fault. So, but we'll see how that goes. If anyone works in insurance and wants to enlighten me, by all means, be my guest. So I was pretty bummed, not gonna lie. On Monday, I was feeling pretty bummed, and I'm like, dang it, I gotta get this in as fast as I can to get it fixed. I wanna go to Caffeine and Octane this weekend and bring the car, of course. But I was more disappointed, I guess, that, the car was just parked and it got hit, right? No fault of my own, really. I mean, I could have parked somewhere else in hindsight, but yeah, so I was pretty bummed. But to be honest, the whole experience thus far has been great. With Geico, with the shop that I went to. So I don't have any problems so far. I mean, I think the work, you guys can kind of see in the video here, looks pretty good. And I really can't tell that it was repaired, So maybe if you guys can, let me know down below. But I think they did a pretty good job. And I'm blown away that this all happened between Tuesday and Thursday, because I dropped the car off Tuesday morning and they got it done in 2 days. So interesting enough though, the grill, the lower grill that they want to replace is back ordered for 2 months. So they said they're not gonna, be able to fix it right now. It's back ordered, so they're gonna call me when it comes in stock, I guess, or available. Now, I was probably going to replace it with an aftermarket unit anyway, but I'll take it. Moral of the story, don't go to the gym. Just kidding, just kidding. Kids, go to the gym.
It's healthy for you.
Or at least just park at the gym. You don't have to go in, but you can just park there. But park away from everybody else, because I'm gonna be parking like 7 miles away from anywhere I wanna go. It might be overkill, I guess, but you guys wanna go take a look at it? I think you do. Let's do it. Let's just skip to the garage. I'm gonna throw you out there. You ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we are back in the garage. The car is here and it's fully repaired. So let me show you guys what it is. We're gonna be heading out here soon, so the car is running. Any folks looking for another exhaust clip might get that as well. So here it is after the repair has been made. You can see from where it was on the fender here, I mean, we don't see anything anymore. So that was pretty cool. It looks like it turned out pretty good. Let me try to get you a better shot of the whole thing here. They did have to replace the headlight there, so you can see that. That's brand new. But yeah, overall, looks pretty good. They got my wheel kinda dirty. But other than that, no, I think it turned out pretty good. So that's it, guys. The car is back in our possession, and no, we did not get rid of it. So sorry if I messed with you at the beginning of this video, but I had to do it. I had to. It was the perfect scenario. But anyways, I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. If you liked it, make sure to like down below and subscribe. We got a lot more content coming up, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And with that said, you guys have a good one, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.